Negotiable and non-negotiable instruments have distinctly different roles and characteristics within U.S. secured finance transactions. Under U.S. law, particularly governed by the Uniform Commercial Code (UCC), these instruments differ significantly in their transferability. Negotiable instruments, primarily regulated by UCC Article 3, are defined as written, unconditional promises or orders to pay a specific fixed sum of money either on demand or at a certain future date. Examples include common financial tools like checks, promissory notes, and negotiable certificates of deposit. The defining feature of negotiable instruments is their ease of transfer. This occurs through a simple endorsement and delivery, allowing these instruments to circulate freely in financial markets. Such easy transferability makes them highly liquid and valuable in trade and commerce, as they effectively substitute for cash. A critical benefit associated with negotiable instruments is the concept of the holder in due course. A holder in due course is someone who acquires the negotiable instrument in good faith, for value, and without notice of any prior claims or defenses. This special status provides strong protections, allowing the holder in due course to enforce payment free of most defenses that could have been raised by the original parties. Thus, negotiable instruments are especially attractive as collateral in secured transactions, prompting lenders to take possession to secure their interests effectively against third-party claims. In contrast, non-negotiable instruments do not fulfill one or more necessary criteria specified in UCC Article 3 or are explicitly marked as non-negotiable. Typical non-negotiable instruments include certain loan agreements, promissory notes deliberately labeled non-negotiable, and small consumer-oriented certificates of deposit. Unlike negotiable instruments, their transfer occurs through an assignment rather than negotiation, making them less liquid. Transferees of non-negotiable instruments inherit all original defenses and claims associated with the underlying obligation. Consequently, they offer no enhanced protection like the holder in due course doctrine, and enforcement remains subject to any original contractual disputes or obligations. In secured finance, this distinction significantly affects how these instruments are used as collateral. Negotiable instruments, due to their inherent liquidity and protective legal framework, incentivize secured parties to secure their interests through physical possession, providing robust protection against other potential claims. Non-negotiable instruments, by contrast, are typically perfected through filing methods rather than possession, reflecting their reduced marketability and inherent risks associated with enforceability.